Today I show you the three different versions of the Seagull 1963 column wheel calibers, which are available at Polio24. This one is the classic, it's the acrylic version, 37 millimeters thick. This is how they arrive from China with these textile straps. This one is the same caliber, same watch case, just with sapphire crystal, also 37 millimeters. And next one is the bigger 42 millimeter model with mineral crystal. This is the caliber itself, the column wheel caliber. Here you can see the wheel. This caliber is always the same at all these three models. And they come also with leather strap. You can choose between different colors. Mostly brown is a good choice, but also black or red are possible. This again is the 42 millimeter version. They all come with crystal back, so you have a perfect view to the very nice caliber. The blue is just a protection foil, can be put off easy. This is the 42. Here we see the sapphire version with dark brown strap. And here you can compare it with the acrylic version. Slightly different lunette. Both are beautiful. The acrylic one is closer to the original, and the sapphire one can't scratch. The crystal can't scratch. Just forgot the protection foil on it. Oh. So maybe now you can decide more easy.